Before we proceed further, request you to please subscribe to our channel as shown above. Hello friends, welcome to Kamath Astrology. In today's video, we will cover another transit. So on 29 December 2021, Mercury or Budh enters into the sign of Capricorn. The sign of Capricorn already has Saturn or Shani present in it, who considers Mercury as a friend. And Mercury is going to remain in this sign till 5th March 2022. Of course, during this 2-month journey, he is going to retrograde a couple of times, but he will remain in the sign of Capricorn mainly. So on 29 December 2021 at around 11:40 am IST, Mercury transits from the sign of Sagittarius or Dhanu into the sign of Capricorn. So you can see the green circle where Mercury is shown by the letters Me. Mercury is at 0 degrees because he has just entered the sign. Saturn is at around 17 degrees. Pluto is at around 1 degrees and Venus, represented by the letters VE, will exit this sign of Capricorn and retrograde back into the sign of Sagittarius on 30th December 2021. So Venus goes back into Sagittarius and now Mercury comes to visit his friend Saturn in Capricorn. So let us analyze the impact of this transit. So first, what is the sign of Capricorn? The sign of Capricorn or Makar is ruled by Saturn. It is the natural 10th house in the zodiac belt, which represents hard work, discipline, power structures, authority, diligence, laws. It also represents the government and the economy. So any planet which enters Capricorn has to abide by these rules of Saturn. That is, he has to be hardworking, he has to be patient, he has to be diligent, he has to abide by the set rules and laws. Now, what is Mercury? Mercury is communication, Mercury is speech, Mercury is marketing skills, Mercury is our analytical and logical thinking ability. Mercury also represents a prince. In the human body, Mercury represents the nervous system. What is Saturn? Saturn represents discipline, Saturn represents patience, Saturn represents hard work. Saturn is a slow moving planet which gives the results very slowly. Saturn is a judge who enforces rules, who enforces laws, and who does justice. Now, when Mercury transits from the adventurous, optimistic sign of Sagittarius into the sign of Capricorn, it has to now abide by all the rules of Capricorn. That is, now Mercury has to do hard work, Mercury has to be patient, Mercury has to be diligent, Mercury has to speak very carefully because Mercury is communication, Saturn is fear and anxiety. So Mercury thinks 10 times before he speaks here. Because if he says something wrong, he will be immediately criticized. So Mercury Saturn conjunction here represents a person who can be very hardworking, who can be a great writer, but he will take a very long time to write a book or to write a novel. This could be a person speaking to you on phone who takes long pauses because he always thinks about the consequences of what he is going to say, what impact it may have. So I had a friend with this conjunction, and whenever I spoke to him on phone, he would take long pauses, like after every sentence he would think and then only react and say something. So this is typically what happens when you see Mercury Saturn conjunction. So people with Mercury Saturn conjunction, they are very serious. It is not the normal optimistic jovial Mercury. This person is very serious. He thinks 10 times about the consequences before doing anything or saying anything. He can be a very great writer. He can design a movie himself. He can write a novel. But all these things take long to complete because Saturn is very slow. He can be the most diligent, hardworking manager, having lot of patience. He will communicate very slowly. Now remember, Saturn is in the Shravan Nakshatra right now. And when Mercury enters this sign, he first enters into the Uttarashada Nakshatra on 29 December 2021. He moves into the Shravan Nakshatra on 5th January 2022. So from 5th January 2022 is when you will see the real effects of Saturn Mercury conjunction. Now because this sign represents the government, it also represents rules, it represents laws because Saturn is a judge. Mercury is about writing, he is about communication, which means that when Mercury enters into the Shravan Nakshatra on 5th January 2022, it sets the stage for creating new laws, new changes in the power structures in the government, which means that the government will start deciding on framing new laws in this time period. Certain critical laws or bills will be passed in the parliament post this 5th January 2022. The drafting of the bills, the passing of the bills may also take a long time. Why? Because Saturn is present with Mercury. Mercury is about writing something, it is about communicating something, and Saturn is a slow moving planet. So, drafting these laws is also going to take a long time. So, what is going to happen is, in the meantime, Mercury is also going to retrograde back into the Uttarashada Nakshatra and then re-enter again into the Shravan Nakshatra on around February 19th, 2022. So on February 19, 2022, that is after this date, you will find that the bills have been passed, the laws have been passed. So Mercury Saturn conjunction for the first time after January 5th, 2022 signifies the planning of drafting of new laws, passing of new laws by the government, and its actual implementation will happen after February 19th, 2022 when Mercury enters into the Shravan Nakshatra for a second time. Finally, on 1st March 2022, Mercury enters into the Dhanishta Nakshatra, and around 5th March 2022, he will exit this sign of Capricorn and enter into the sign of Aquarius. So, in short, this transit tells us that certain new laws, certain new bills will be passed by the government very soon, which will take effect post February 19, 2022 and bring major changes in the economy as well as in many things. Now, what else does Mercury represent? Mercury represents the stock market also. So, when it comes in close conjunction to Saturn, definitely the stock market is going to fluctuate in a major way. Saturn also indicates slowness. So, the stock market can dip in this time period again. That is post February 19th, 2022 as well as post January 5th, 2022. When Mercury moves closer towards Saturn, there will be fluctuations in the stock market. The stock market can see a major dip in this time period. Mercury also represents our nervous system. Mercury represents autoimmune diseases. When present with Saturn, anyone having these problems, those problems can get slightly intensified. Okay, so if you are already having problems such as stammering, or if you are having any autoimmune disease, those issues can get a bit aggravated in this time period. The solution to that is to worship Lord Vishnu in this time period, because Mercury is Vishnu Swarupa. Saturn also represents Lord Venkatesha, a form of Vishnu. So, worshipping Vishnu in this time period will give a lot of protection and will give a lot of benefits. Another thing to observe is that when Mercury is just entering into the sign of Capricorn, it is in very close proximity to Pluto, who is at approximately 1 degree right now. And Pluto represents the breakdown of hierarchical structures. So, when Mercury comes in conjunction with Pluto, it means these laws will break down the old structures which are no longer meaningful and which need to be replaced by something new, something better. So, that is a good thing which is going to happen. These laws may find resistance with the common public, but they will be for the betterment of the society, and that is what this transit clearly indicates. One more thing is Mercury represents the media, Saturn represents restrictions, the sign of Capricorn represents laws. So, certain rules putting restrictions on media or the way media communicates today will also come into force, is what I foresee due to this transit. So, friends, this is my short analysis of Mercury entering into the sign of Capricorn and becoming conjunct with Saturn. So if you like this video, do mark it as liked on YouTube. If you have not subscribed to our channel Kamath Astrology, you can do so by clicking the subscribe button. For any consultations, email us at astrosevaworld@yahoo.com. You can also reach us through our website astroseva.tripod.com. So friends, thanks a lot. We'll see you soon shortly with another video. Till then, bye, take care and stay safe.